What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Here's How to Get Your Whole Family Arrested." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they are actually talking about here.
So what's going on?
Hold on. I have no idea. I scanned because this is so much bullshit. I was scanning my stuff. Okay. She says I forgot two of the chickens. Well, they were in a bag. So yeah, I did forget that one.
Sure.
The other ones, I scanned like this, and she goes, well, when I got to the door, she goes, you didn't scan this and this. And I go, well, what 3 items was it so I can pay for them? She goes, no, it's too late for that. And I go, well, if I made a mistake, I want to go pay for my food.
Sure.
No, it's too late. You're coming to my office. I'm not going to your office. So I threw this 3 things that she said I didn't scan. I tried to get them back.
Chicken and what?
It was chicken and chicken strips.
Okay.
She said it wasn't. So I'm like, okay, am I going to pay for these or not? No, you need to go to my office. I'm not going to your office. Okay? If you don't want people to have accidents, have regular checkouts, because I scan them, and if I didn't, it was an accident, let me go pay for it. Okay. No, too late for that, you're going to my office. No, I'm not. So I gave her the stuff, she refused to take them, so I put them on the cart, and I left.
Okay. All right, do you have an ID on you or anything?
For what?
Because you were involved in a theft, and we got
It wasn't a theft, it was, I was still in the store, so it's not theft, and it was an accident with the chicken, and I wanted to pay for them, and she said no.
Okay, so let me...
If you pass the point of sale, it's a theft.
Phrase this, okay? So we got called for a theft, okay? So obviously we're going to respond, okay? So she said that this theft led into a disorder, okay? So I guess you guys
Go review the cameras. There was no disorder.
But I need your ID first. You're not in trouble right now.
I'm not in trouble for nothing.
I'm just trying to figure it out, ma'am. I'm just trying to figure it out, okay?
All right, well, let's figure this out, because I got cold stuff.
Okay. So who else were you with?
What does it matter? Like she said, no one was scanning everything. Because I want to get going.
Yes, but you yelling at me?
I don't care. You got my license. I didn't even need to give them to you in the first place. No, I didn't. Give me my damn license.
Stop acting like this.
What is the problem?
I already told you the problem.
Okay, then what's the holdup?
Well, I need to look at camera.
Well, go and look at it. Why are you holding me here for? I already told you what happened. The fat bitch can come out here and tell you too.
So what I need to do is I need to go up and see camera, but I need you to go with me because I can't just let you go by yourself.
Well, then good. Call one of your other pigs back because they ain't doing nothing. Have them sit right here while you go in there with the fat bitch and look at the goddamn camera.
I need you to go in there with me. I can't go with you. Okay. Then I guess we'll just prolong this.
Let's prolong it then.
Okay. And I'll wait for us. We gotta proceed.
Oh, she out! She out! Oh, she said I'm out.
If someone just tried to hit you.
I know this. How do you stop? Probably go for it. Driving on the curb. Driving on the curb. There's a parking right there that you're trying to... There's a car across the... I'm also in pursuit of the house.
Hey, shout out all my cargo van workers, man. Got truckers.
They'll have to be the plan for you will have to be able to stop the motor for the Walmart.
A living piece of shit.
Go, okay? Hey, stop.
Don't touch it. Let me get this stuff.
Six point four, all I got is land. I'm showing you empty up.
Let me get in the car, honey. Get in the car. Okay.
What happened?
Listen. Stop.
Hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Gun in my hand. Stop.
I have an update for either half.
Here. Hey, get my car. Get my car. Right here.
Boy, you don't want to act right, they gonna get you to act right. Boy, the last thing you want to do as a female that's in trouble is fight with a female cop, boy. Oh boy, they gonna get you together, so you might want to act right. The sons and all of that stuff, I mean, you know, whatever. They're just trying to protect their mom, but the mom is an idiot. You know what I'm saying? It's unfortunate that your mother is out here stealing and stuff like that, and you know she guilty because you took off. That's the only reason why somebody would take off, is a guilty person. So,
Update on your male suspect.
He's in custody. We have both in custody.
Thank you for letting me know. Custody 748.
Hey, why is your
My
kid
son.
driving?
Hey, he's locking the door. My son's coming in. You think you're gonna put your hands on him?
He can't drive the car.
He's not. My son is coming over here. You think I trust him? Bitch, take these off. I'll show you how strong you are.
Down.
Get the off me. In the car, bud. Yeah, in the car. In the car, bitch. Colin, get Daddy's glasses right there. Right there. That broke it. The other piece is right there, bud. Right here.
Back her up. Back her up.
Where are you guys taking them?
Give us a second, man.
Hey,
please.
can you untighten this one? It's on my phone.
Where are you guys escorting them to?
Give us a second.
Yeah, I don't know your number. Can I talk to you? No, get in the car. Get in the car.
Go.
Bubby, just go tell Daddy to settle down and get in the car for me, please. Get in the car.
Go.
I just want to make sure he gets in the car.
Okay. Get in the car.
She just said okay.
We're telling
She just said okay.
Stop. Stop yelling.
Can you tell her you just said okay?
Stop yelling.
Okay.
No video yelling. No.
Babe, just get in the car, please. Babe. Babe.
All right. Get.
bro, these some weak female officers, man. Typically the female, like, they have it under control, man. What's going on here? Like, what's going on? Like, come on. Oh, she said it's okay. Listen, you not running the show here. Get in the car. If I say get in the car, she can say whatever. She ain't my supervisor. Okay, she's an equal. I'm the one arresting you. I got you in handcuffs. Get in the car. If I say get in the car, you get in the car. That's the end of the story. This ain't no bae. Oh, and then what is the other officer doing down there? She's just sitting there pretending to, secure the scene or something? Why is the son so close to the other officer and her back is kind of turned? You know what I'm saying? And you got the other guy right there, the other son directly behind her, like near the door and all that stuff. Move them away. Come on. Who is training y'all? Secure that scene, man. Back. Crowd control. All right, boom. You move back. You do this. Boop, boop. You know, get in the car, at least until she's secure in the car. Then, you can, whatever. If the son is trying to get into the other car, whatever. Okay, cool. But nah, bruh.
Car. Please. Don't make it harder.
Can you get off me? I'm trying to get in the damn car.
Get in the car.
Just, what's your name, Joe? Okay, got your last name.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can't even get there. You're not.
Because I told your officer I had nothing to do with it. He should have walked away. He had no proof of that either.
Well, we have to verify.
No, I don't have to help you with your investigation.
That's why you're in cuffs.
No, that's not why I'm in cuffs. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Sit down.
Yes, I'm disrupting.
It's as
They're
loose as
open.
it can.
Well, my arms are too big then.
Negative.
I already told you I'll be cool.
The air out there.
I can't have them this tight. Now you're
You have it.
provoking. I can't have that one that tight. Call him.
How? You're not sitting down.
Because you shouldn't have me in handcuffs. You're now falsely getting fucking down.
for you to call someone.
I'm falsely. You better call someone above you. You're making a mistake. Call Walmart right now. They looked right at my face on camera and said, We have nothing to say to you. You're not involved. I can't do anything for you. Sit down. I told you I can't. Here, Cole. Can you see how tight this one is on my left? I can't feel my fingers.
Yeah, it's scrunching your wrist.
I can't feel my
How many
fingers.
fingers go in there?
Whatever. Do you see the width of my wrist?
I can see it digging into your skin from here.
Look, I need that one loosened.
She was charged with theft, obstructing official business, and resisting arrest.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.